Gary here from Homestead How. Welcome to our homestead. In today's video, this is going to be a quick one. Emma just got a used bed. Jen found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it's missing a little bracket piece. Hold on. It's a nice little bed, but it's missing this piece. And the screw goes through here, and it goes inside that piece. It goes inside that piece right here. So I found this piece at Menards, and I'm going to try to machine a piece. I'm going to try to tap this so that I can put a screw in here myself, and I've never done this before. So it's Homestead How, learn with us. I bought this tapping kit. This is a tap, and it comes with different size drill bits, and I've got the number 7 drill bit in here, and that goes with a 1/4-20 tap. I've never tapped anything before, so I'm going to try to do that in today's video, and maybe you guys can learn something with me. I watched a quick YouTube video before this, but I've never done it myself. So I got this little punch. I'm going to try to punch right in the center. And I've got some cutting oil. Getting too many angles now.
You always said get more shots.
I have to use this tap. This is a 1/4-20 tap. And I watched a couple YouTube videos and they said, so this is going to thread this for me. You might have to go in and out a bunch of times, depending how deep it is. I'm putting so much force on it, I feel like it's going to break if I force it any harder. Every time I do that though, and I put it back in, it seems to go down a little bit further. Another 2 turns maybe. Feels like we made it through.
You said that 10 times already.
No, we're all the way through now. Definitely all the way through.
I feel like there's an easier way to do this.
See. Yeah, there is. Just buy a bed that has all the parts with it. So this is all dirty now. This is the new bolt that I bought. It's a little bit longer than this one. Let's see if it threads on now. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're going to do one more. I'm not going to show that on camera though. Alright, so just to demonstrate, the 2 pieces I made are going to go on that side.
Can we take a moment to look at my beautiful room?
No,
this took me forever to get up, and then I started painting that frame over there.
Go back to this. Look at this weird piece, people. So this little weird piece goes in here. Watch right here. You'll see it come through. I gotta have
Hopefully.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
And then this screw goes through here, and it goes inside that piece. It goes inside that piece and pulls it together. So that's basically what I just tried to build for the other side because those pieces were missing, and it's the weirdest piece on earth. And of course, you can't just buy a piece like that. Now I gotta screw this in. Okay, that's done. Now we gotta do the new pieces on the other side by hand.
Now we're doing the next side.
Okay, now here's the new piece that I made. So that's gonna go in there. So we're gonna stick this through the hole like that. Stick this through here. And I got a really long screw, so this is gonna take forever to screw in. There, I got it started. Here's the other piece. I tapped myself. It's going in here. This is going through this. And we're in. And now I have to screw this in for 45 minutes. It worked. So that's the first time I ever tapped anything. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Maybe you learned something along with us. That's the name of our channel. Homestead How Learn With Us. A little hacky fix, but that thing is in there nice and tight. So there's my new piece that I just tapped with a 1/4 bolt hole, and it worked perfectly. It's a nice tight fit. This is kind of a weird piece, but alright, that's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to tap a screw hole with me. That was the first time I ever did it. It was a little hacked together, but the bed is now working, and Emma's going to be able to put a mattress on it, and we're going to be good to go with the cheap bed. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned until the end of the video. As we do in every episode of Homestead How, we're going to show you some of our favorite photos from our homestead from this week, and we got some good ones for you.
Go subscribe to Triplet Vlogs. Yes, please. Thank you.